guys, I wanted to go over what you were doing this week. First thing I want to remind you, though, there is this little student research tab at the beginning of modules. You'll see my weekly announcements up here at the top of the modules on your homepage. You'll see the student resource tab. If you get stuck on an argumentative essay, how to write a letter or resume, how to write a narrative essay, how to do MLA, how to do research properly, how to use Google Docs, any of that, I have all this material up here to help you. Don't hesitate to use these prefab templates. Okay, they're here for you. Okay, so we have last week's work, or actually today's work. It's technically due today. Just a reminder, you needed to have done your journal entry, your little vocabulary quiz, your parody character and political cartoon quiz, your examples of satire. That was your assessment for this week, and a discussion sharing satire that you found. So this week, which is due next Monday, you have we're going to be talking about hyperbole, which is exaggeration, and understatement, which is the opposite, and how it's used in satire. And if you ever took my class in person, and I know some of you I taught at West Jordan, you know I love both hyperbole and understatement. I love them, I love them, I love them. I say ridiculous things with them. Alright, so you have a journal entry this week. You have questions on hyperbole and understatement. You have a reading and analysis questions. You have to write a narrative that contains both hyperbole and understatement. And you do have a discussion this week, and I'm going to add that to the estimates here in a minute. All right, here's your first quiz. You can redo it if you need to. If you have a problem with the quiz, one of you had a problem with the quiz last week, I still haven't got back to you. Trust me, I will. Sometimes these quizzes are altered by me, but they're kind of what we all use in 12th Guide Jordan District Virtual Learning. So if there's a mistake or if you get stuck on something, I have to go into the quiz and look at it. I do check all these, and they get graded pretty quickly. And another little quiz. You watch these two videos and you read this excerpt from this book by David Sedaris. I think you'll really enjoy it. David Sedaris is a really funny guy. And you watch these two examples of hyperbole and understatement. One's from Monty Python and the Holy Grail, and one is from the Letterboard video, which I think you will enjoy. Again, I'm hoping that you find this unit kind of fun. All right, then you write a narrative. I would reread that Talk to Me Pretty One Day example, because that's exactly what we want you. So the reason why we have you read that is because it's an example of what we want you to do, and then you're going to write your own. You need to have 5 different hyperboles, 5 different understatements, highlight the hyperboles, highlight the understatements, create a color which shows which one represents which. That's totally up to you. I don't care if it's blue, green, chartreuse, maroon. Have fun with it. And just write an interesting story. Does it have to make total sense? No. It just has to have 5 hyperboles and 5 understatements. And you try to have as much fun with it as you can. All right. That's your work for this week. It's all due on Monday. And remember, I don't count, there's no penalty for turning stuff in late, but you will be off pace. The reason why we have it paced out this way is so you don't fall really behind. This quarter is long, and there's a lot of breaks in this quarter, and I don't want you to have to work over Thanksgiving break or Christmas break or anything like that. All right. Well, I hope you guys have a great week, and keep up with everything, and if you need any help, contact me.